You.
Hi, this is Maria from Maria's Garden. How everybody's doing today? I hope everybody's doing good. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about carrots. Not de rosas, carrots. Carrots, the carrots you eat. Okay, this stuff look like a carrots. Look at him, carrots. Ah, look at this, just like a carrots. And I'm at home, so I'm putting all my desert rosas to repair them and clean them. And look at this is like a carrot. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this. This is cute, but it's like a carrot. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you today how to clean them, okay? So we're gonna clean one. I'm gonna put this baby seed. I have a lot to clean. So I'm gonna put a cup under the table to make room. Under my little table, we're gonna leave two in here. So we have cinnamon here, we have this in here. You need a nice little clippers. You need a nice little, small little knife like this, but very sharp, okay? And you need your cinnamon, okay? And of course, you're gonna need your glue. Don't forget about the I-bound glue. Okay, and this video is for the new people. Okay, I know the new people that just joined my channel. They don't know how to clean the desert rosas, okay, or how to lift them, or they don't know much. Yeah, so this video is special for them and for everybody actually. So what we do, this is supposed to be done at least. Depends if you work and you are too busy, you're in the office all the time, or you work somewhere. Doesn't matter where you work, you're always busy, so you're not gonna have time to take care of your plants like every year or that. So, but I recommend to do this once a year. But if you're busy, no more than 2 years, please, no more than 2 years. Pull them off and clean them. Why? Because it's very, very important that you avoid root rot in the plant. You avoid root rot, you avoid root damage, you avoid all kinds of problems that can happen to your plants. Like for example, this one over here, you can see there was in a very, very small shallow pot, and this is what happened. This is not good at all. This polio thing was if you are doing a bonsai, it's different story, but we're not into the bonsai. So this plant can stand there. You see that? Why? Because the pot that I have was very, very shallow. So this is gonna be a struggle for the plant and me. I'm gonna trying to help the plant and deal with this. But at the same time, I have this big one over here. There's very, very beautiful plant. Oh my goodness, it's heavy. You see this? This needs cleaning too. They all need cleaning, and I'm gonna clean them all. They're all very, very. The roots is very healthy. I don't. Oops. I'm gonna end up in the canal swimming. Okay, if I don't be careful. So anyway, this one, they all need a little cleaning. Okay, they are not bad. They are very beautiful. I must have like 40 or 50 over here at home. So I'm gonna clean them. As I clean everything of the business, so it's time to start cleaning at home. So what would you do? You pull it out of the pot, very careful. Try not to damage anything. When we repair this plant, okay, when we this is broke over here, broken in the process, so I'm gonna clean it. So these are babies, these are little babies. Okay, the babies. Okay, so when we repair this plant, guess where we're gonna plant it? Over here we're gonna plant it just like this. You can plant it open or you can plant it closed, whatever you like, doesn't matter. I think I'm gonna open it about a little bit when I plant it. So what you need to do, we're gonna plant it over here all the way to here, okay? So anything in here, anything this needs to be clean, no question, okay? So we're gonna start over here. So put my glue here. So it's very easy. Start cleaning it, clean anything, and just like this, clean everything. We don't want anything attached there. And let me see. Clean this, clean this, clean this. Let's see. Clean all this stuff over here. Little strings, that's what it is. So another important thing we're gonna start doing, and this is for everybody. This one goes when I plant them. Well, you have to make a decision. When I plant my plant here, is this gonna reach? Yes. So I'm not gonna cut it. I'm gonna clean it. So the only thing is, like, go clean over here, clean over here, clean on the roots. Okay. Needs cleaning. This is a little damage I got here, so I'm gonna clean it. When I pull it out, you try the best can not to damage them, but sometimes it's very, very hard. And they're very tender. You can see just like a potato. You have to be very gentle with them. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do over here. We find this root that's stuck inside there that goes there. This is long, so we're gonna keep this one. Okay, we're gonna keep this one because it's long enough. When I repot my plant, it's gonna be able to reach the soil. Okay, so what you need to do is say, okay, this is gonna be a main root all the way down. So anything that is attached, you're gonna cut. So for example, cut this, and these two little streams over here, cut that. Okay, this is a main roof. It's nice and healthy. We're gonna clean anything that is attached. Okay, like this, anything. Okay, this is a nice root, but it has a lot of stuff going on. Okay, so you're gonna have to make a decision. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, which one you're gonna keep to go in the soil? Well, of course, the healthy, nice one is this one, so that's what we're gonna keep. So anything else, these other three are coming out. Okay, this coming out, and that's what you're gonna do to each one. This one is a beautiful root, but has two. We don't need that. Okay, so just cut it, all the little strings. This one over here is only one, so it's okay. So now I see something over here. I don't know what it is. Okay, something hanging over here that we're just gonna take out. Why? Because it's not gonna do anything for my plant. And try to be nice and neat, you know, and try your plant gentle, because they're like potatoes. Don't drop them either, because they will bruise. What's this? Oh, this little one has a little string there. So there you go. We clean all the strings. Okay, now this needs to be cleaned, the little strings. Okay, so now we said we're gonna plant it here when we get planted. Okay, this is what we have to do. This plant needs a haircut. Definitely needs a haircut. How? Definitely we need to cut this, because if we don't cut this, what's gonna happen? Doesn't matter how deep the pot is. If, for example, if I plant it in this spot, okay, look at this, goes all the way down. I will have a very, very hard time keeping the size of the pot. It will be impossible. The pot will be all the way down there, and the roots will be here. So it's a way to stop this. Okay, you need to stop it. So how we do? We're gonna plant it here. So we're gonna leave the plant around there. We're gonna leave this. See that? We're gonna leave at least 4 inches. So you're just gonna cut it like this. You cut this, and by you doing that, by you cutting that, what you're telling the plant is to start growing the roots. Okay, so the plant is not gonna grow down anymore. It's gonna stay like this for a couple years. Next time you take it out and you see this, so the roots coming down and growing, you do the same thing. So now when we plant it over here, the plant is not gonna start going down. It's just gonna stay. It's gonna concentrate all the energy on this, and this is gonna get big like bonsai. Of course, we're not doing bonsais because our channel don't like bonsais. They want the plants, just natural plants, beautiful, healthy desert rosas. They don't want to chop them up or anything. So this is it. Okay, so after that, what we do, we're gonna put some cinnamon. Okay, make sure you cinnamon every little piece that you cut, like this. Okay, and you cinnamon your baby, and we're gonna put it in my garage in a cardboard box to dry for a couple weeks or 3 weeks maybe. And this is it. This is for the new people. This is how you have to do them. And they're so beautiful. I'm gonna put it here. I like the cinnamon. So the same thing as this one. You see this one over here? The same thing. Says we're gonna plant it around here when repare. It's big. So we're gonna leave it at least 5 inches out. Okay? Nothing's gonna happen. The plants will gonna be healthy. So the same thing. So when I plant it, I'm gonna plant it over here, so around here. So I'm gonna cut it right over here, and you're not hearing the plant at all. You're helping the plant by doing this, because it's not gonna try to reach the water. What's gonna happen here? What's gonna happen here? These are gonna get a little strings, like so. I show you how. They're gonna get a little tiny strings in here, all around here, like this, all around strings in here, but it's not gonna grow down, just like this. And that's okay. Next time you take it out, you just clip the strings a little bit, and you're ready to go. So this one has a little damage in there, so I'm gonna have to cut it. Okay, so how you use it, I recommend you to cut it. Don't cut everything. Okay, you cut a little, you go slow and cut 1/2 inch. It's still bad. You see that? You have to have a clean green. So cut a little piece. Look at that's bad. Cut a little piece. Still bad. Cut a little piece. Still bad. Cut a little piece. Still bad. So now we're gonna have to use this little knife. So how you do like this? I usually go like this. That way my cut doesn't go too far. See that? And that's why you need a little nice. See that? A little nice sharp knife. You see this? This is what you do with this baby. And I don't know why I got rurua, but then see, it's nice and clean now. So this one over here, see, this one has a little bit of here rubber. So we just gently remove that. You see that? Gently remove that and clean it up. And of course, we're not gonna plant it right away, so we're gonna monitor this. Feel free to cough, honey. My husband is coughing and he's worried about coughing, so I tell him, go ahead, don't hold it. Just go ahead and cough. I don't think so my viewers will mind that. People cough when people are not feeling well, so okay, this is set, this is set. This is set. So we fix that, it's good. So what we do, take all the little strings. Okay, other thing I'm gonna tell you, for all these people, for all my friends that you just repot your desert roses in the last 3-4 months or this, leave them alone. Do not please pull them. You repotting without trimming the bottle like I'm trimming right now. Wait until next year, please, because you pull it out, you give it, all the plant has to start all over. Remember, these are very slow recovery. When you clean them, you don't expect to see this in a week. It's gonna start getting stems and everything. Okay, you clip them, and like this ones I clipped them maybe a month ago. You see that they all clip. I clip them up, and they all clip, and they got new stems now. Okay, but I never let them up since last year. So this time I decide to get them all out, clean them, dry them for 3 weeks, and then when I plant them, my goodness, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna continue cleaning it, but I just don't wanna hold you forever. And remember, it's one main roof and everything else needs to go. So this desert rose has, my goodness, look at this. I like these little clippers, they're the best. And what's this in here? What is this? Something needs to come out. Yeah. Okay, little baby. Mama is taking you. Oh my goodness, look at you. You're so beautiful. Look at you. You're gonna go to a desert rose competition because you are so beautiful. Okay, there you go. You see this? This is it. That's how simple it is. So that's it. When we plant it, we're just gonna plant it about there. Okay? About there. And what's gonna happen? What's happening to all my desert roses at work? They start, maybe take 3 weeks before they start grabbing, the roots start grabbing slowly. You're not gonna see anything for 3-4 weeks, okay? When you do this, the plant might lose all the leaves because the shock. When okay, first of all, now this one over here, I'm gonna put cinnamon. First of all, a lot of cinnamon, my babies, and especially in the cutting. Okay. And this cutting that I did over here, that I was not expecting to do. Oh baby, you look at you, how beautiful you are. Okay, this cutting that I did, that I wasn't expecting to do, I need to go every 3 days or 4 days into my garage and monitor. What? Because if I go there and this is getting soft, I need to cut it slowly a little more, tiny a little bit more, and make sure it's hard and apply cinnamon again. This other little thing that I cut in here, the same thing. The same thing. I need to check on that, make sure the root rod doesn't go in. Okay, after 3 weeks in the garage, this baby will be ready to be planted in dry soil. Okay, and all the way here, it's gonna be so beautiful. Anyway, so then you put it to rest for 2 weeks in the garage to recover, and after that you can put it out, place it outside. Do not water it because they are still dorming. Okay, do not water it. The night dew, the humidity at night comes over here, and that helps the leaves, it helps the plant and everything. Other thing I was gonna tell you, I repack all my desert roses at work, each single one. So I decided to stay home today and we start working the ones I have at home because I love them too. So I'm gonna make a video about the ones at work, a video how they look. They look chopped up. I know people are not gonna buy them, but it's okay. I know it's the best for my plants. They love what I did to them. They're very happy. They're not gonna have root rot. They have the right soil, the right fertilizers. So anyway, and then when they start blooming, I'm gonna make a video. And I'm gonna download them together to see. You can see a difference. What does when you take care of your plants? And until next time. Oh no, I wanna say hi to somebody. I wanna say hi to Bobby. Hi, Bobby. Hi, Bob Curly. Baba. Hi. My friend. He's my friend. He's a nice guy. He likes flowers in my head, but I didn't put flowers today. I forgot. So anyway, bye. Take care, everybody. And I still have all these to clean. Oops. All these to clean. I have all these to clean. All these. And then I have more over here to clean in the grass. All these over here that I need to clean. You can see I have a lot of work. So after I watch him, I'm gonna put him in the hammock to rest in the hammock, and then dry, and then I put him inside to rest. Okay, until next time, bye bye, everybody. Please subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you.